What if a conflict happening thousands of kilometers away suddenly makes petrol, gas cylinders, and even groceries expensive in India? The recent crisis involving Iran might do exactly that. In recent weeks, tensions in the Middle East involving Iran have escalated significantly. Military strikes and geopolitical tensions have increased the risk of a wider regional conflict. This has already shaken global financial markets and energy markets. Iran is located near the Strait of Hormuz, one of the most important shipping routes in the world. Around 20% of global oil trade passes through this narrow waterway, making it a critical point for global energy supply. If conflict disrupts this route, oil supply across the world could be affected. India is one of the largest importers of crude oil. In fact, around 88% of India's oil demand is met through imports, and a significant portion of this oil comes from the Middle East. So any instability in this region immediately affects India's economy. Because of the tensions, global oil prices have already started rising. Brent crude prices recently jumped above $80 per barrel, increasing energy costs worldwide. For India, higher oil prices mean higher petrol and diesel prices, expensive transportation, rising cost of goods. When fuel prices increase, transportation costs rise. That makes food, groceries, and everyday products more expensive. This is called cost-push inflation, where higher production costs increase the price of goods. India buys oil in US dollars. If oil prices increase, India needs more dollars to pay for imports. This puts pressure on the Indian rupee. In fact, the Reserve Bank of India has already intervened in currency markets to stabilize the rupee amid the crisis. If tensions escalate, shipping routes and logistics across the Middle East could be disrupted. India has strong trade ties with West Asia, which accounts for about 20% of India's imports and 15% of exports. Any disruption could affect industries like textiles, chemicals, and fertilizer. Another concern is the safety of millions of Indians working in Gulf countries. If the conflict spreads across the region, it could affect remittances and employment opportunities for Indians abroad. The Indian government is closely monitoring the situation. Authorities are reviewing strategic oil reserves and exploring alternative energy sources to reduce dependency on Middle Eastern oil. The Iran crisis shows an important economic lesson. Even conflicts happening far away can affect your daily life. From petrol prices to inflation, global geopolitics and economics are deeply connected. If you want to understand global economics in the simplest way possible, subscribe to Education and keep learning.